Workbook Solutions, Julius Caesar, Act 5, Scene 2. This is a very brief scene, your Morningstar workbook solution. Here we have just one RTC extract. The extract is there on the screen. Just have a look. Dear students, do check the pinned comment section for all important video links related to your syllabus. And again, a reminder, do subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment, and also tap the bell icon. Question 1. Where does this scene take place? Act 5, Scene 2 of Julius Caesar takes place in Philippi, the battlefield. And what is meant by these bills? The expression these bills means written orders. Or you can add message. Written orders or message. What is referred to as the legions on the other side? The expression the legions on the other side mean to the troops on the other wing commanded by Cassius. Troops on the other wing. And what instructions does Brutus give? To whom are these instructions to be given? The instructions are that Cassius, heading the legions on the other side, must set out at once to embark on an immediate attack against the enemy facing him, namely the army led by Mark Antony. These are the instructions given by Brutus. And to whom are these instructions given? These instructions are to be given to Cassius. Brutus hopes to have advantage at this juncture. What indications has he perceived in this regard? Brutus hopes to have advantage at this juncture. Brutus observes cold demeanor in Octavius's wing. Very important. That is, lack of enthusiasm in Octavius's troops. Thus, if they attack immediately, Brutus's soldiers will be able to overpower them. A sudden attack will defeat them. And what warning did Octavius give to Brutus the previous night? Octavius warns Brutus that he has drawn his sword against the conspirators and he will not sheathe it until all the 33 wounds of Julius Caesar have been avenged, or until he himself has also been killed by the traitors' swords. And what is the reaction of Brutus? According to Brutus, he cannot die by traitors' hands unless he has traitors with him. He remains resolute in the justice of his cause and its righteousness. He does not consider himself, Cassius, traitors. And therefore, he cannot die by traitors' hands. Brutus's hands are honorable hands. And what changes do you notice in the character of Brutus in this scene? After the thoughtful mood in the previous scene, Brutus is shown as an active general of the combined army of the conspirators. After the battle signal is given, he gives firm orders. He seems to foresee a victory to his side. We learn later, however, he makes a serious error by giving the word for the battle too soon. So, calm Brutus has now become impulsive Brutus. So, these are the changes. This is the end of this session. Take care and bye.